Art, start, go. In this video, we will draw a gingerbread man with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. Start to outline the gingerbread man with light umber. Continue the outline with sienna brown. Continue using dark brown. Color the gingerbread man with burnt ochre. Add shading to the skull with dark brown. Finish the color with burnt ochre. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.